Oh, here goes. And it's going the wrong way. Oh my gosh. Well.
Hello fans of the biggest forestry machines and heavy equipment. Welcome to Top Moments TV, the most reliable source of inspiration and information about modern forestry. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow the latest information. We are taking a close look at the biggest, most powerful, and most dangerous forestry machines on the planet. The pinnacle of engineering is not only effective, but also evokes the thrill of watching these giant machines perform incredible feats from precision, felling to gravity-defying maneuvers. I know what you are thinking. This doesn't sound good. But trust me, there is a method to this madness. Our loggers have figured all this out. He will make it look easy. Imagine yourself standing in front of giant machines performing amazing feats, from precision felling to gravity-defying maneuvers. Every move is a testament to human ingenuity and talent. Talking about the composite 931X CNC 144 combined harvesters, that this duo is talking about getting the job done right with a powerful 255 horsepower engine. The power you need, the 180-degree rotating cab and crane, provide comfort and control for the operator. And the CE144 is designed to handle tough conditions to increase productivity and keep your plants healthy. Simply put, it benefits productivity and sustainability. It's not just about convenience, it's also a deciding factor in increasing productivity and protecting plant health. What about the Auger Premier Root Connector? It's a real game changer with the user-friendly, efficient, and safe it brings. Uprooting trees is no longer the nightmare of the traditional method, but a cleaner, quieter, and cost-effective solution. When it comes to intense confrontations, it is impossible not to mention the battle between the two chainsaw champions, Stihl MS661 and MS500. Every spin, every powerful cut, only one winner deserves to be crowned king of cutting. Every touch of the separation force and a modern Act-10 system, cumbersome adjustments are no longer a problem. The pinnacle of engineering. Like the legendary Peterson 5710D with a 150 horsepower Cat Tier 4i engine. It crushes the hardest materials, turning them into wood chips in the blink of an eye. And with its intelligent operating system and remote control capabilities, operator comfort is taken to a new level. Symbols of perseverance and engineering talent. They remind us that sometimes raw power and human ingenuity are the real things that conquer all challenges. From vast forests